Hey guys, coming to you again today. Super excited about this unboxing. I saw these a couple of weeks ago listed at Joann's, and I was super excited about them. Couldn't wait to get them. Kept checking and checking, and I finally saw that they were available at my Joann's, and they're 30% off right now. Plus, there's a today. I don't know if it's today only, but an extra 25% off. So I got these little kits for more than half off. Cost me about $3 to $4. And they're the Christmas ornaments. So I got the Snowflake, the Christmas ornament shape, Santa Claus, and the Christmas tree. And I'll be doing an unboxing or unbagging of that here in a second. But check that out today if y'all want to get that extra coupon code. There is one more. It's a Christmas sweater. I didn't personally get that one because I like these. I am debating about getting another Snowflake because I really like it. But stay tuned for that unboxing video here soon. Thanks for joining me. So we're going to be unboxing or unbagging the Christmas ornaments that I got. I got 4 of them. I started the video and something happened, so I had to restart. So I kind of already opened the Snowflake one. So in the kit, you get everything you need to do this with. You don't get any toolkit with it. I guess they're assuming you have the toolkit. You just get... yeah, it says tool pack not included. So you get everything besides that to do this with. So this is the Snowflake, and it's really pretty. It is made out of plastic. So it's like acrylic, but I think it's a little lighter plastic than acrylic plastic. But it's a nice plastic, and you can see how clear the symbols are. And it is double-sided. So you can dot both sides, okay? So, but look how clear Diamond Dotz symbols are. I've never had a problem with their symbols before. Their symbols are always nice and clear, and you can tell what they are. So you get your plastic ornament, you get your little ribbon to do it with, and then you get your colors in a little thing. So this one doesn't have but 3 colors. And it's just in a little bag, and you get your little size chart or diamond dot chart with it. There it goes. And then you get glitter with it. So I didn't know what this was for at first until I read the instructions, which are just little pictures. So I'll show you that. So on your inside you have the little instructions on how to do it, and over here it says Dotz dust, which is the glitter. So I guess when you get done dotting, you just kind of dust it with glitter. So that would be different to try, although my husband really hates glitter. And as you can see, glitter is already coming off on my hands from the package, because y'all know people who work with glitter, how crafty glitter gets everywhere. It's kind of like sugar at a store. It goes everywhere. So you get glitter. And then you get your dots, okay? So I noticed this is something new. This is a new packaging for Diamond Dotz. I have not seen Diamond Dot packaging like this with the silver labels on it. It still has your Diamond Dotz logo on it, so you know it is Diamond Dotz. With Diamond Dotz, you get on the package, it says A1, which is what your serial number is. And that's what you match up your grid sign with. And so I'll show you that. So over here you have your serial number, which is A1. Your sign is a plus sign, and then your dot color is the last one, 8150. And on the packaging you can see that it says 8150. So that is the dot color. So with this one you get 3 colors. You do get an AB drill, which is 502, which is like a light blue color. And these drills are like the Diamond Art Club drills. They are dome shaped. They are not the flat surface drills that you get with usually the Diamond Dotz kits. I don't know if this is because this is more of like a Dotzy kit, like the kids' Dotzy kits that get the dome-shaped drills. But usually the Diamond Dotz drills do have like a diamond facet on top. I don't know if it's something new they're going to start doing, changing their drills, or if they're just using this more as a Dotzy type kit. So that is the Snowflake one. Let's open and I'll show you guys this one. So this is the Christmas ornament. That looks like a Christmas ornament. So look at the colors in the background. It focuses on my ornament and not my shirt. So maybe it will focus if I bring it closer. There it goes. See how clear that is and the color? It is just amazing. Is that not so pretty? And again, it is both sides. You get your ribbon. And again, you get your glitter. They call this a babble. This one has 6 colors in it. Again, it does have an AB. So here's your color code thing. It's not a sticker or anything. It's just paper. Your glitter packet. And then your colors. Look at these colors, guys. Look at the pink. Look at that pink. And the yellow. How vibrant they are. This one is like my shirt color. It's like a peachy pink. So it kind of blends into my shirt. You got your lime green, your turquoise green, and then your AB drills at the end. Let me see if I can get y'all to see these drills in here. There they go. See, there's the drills. Ain't those just gorgeous? And you can see that they're dome shaped. So that's that one. And we got 2 more. Not get those confused. So I'll pick it up all later. So we got our Santa Claus one. And I'll just pull out the, y'all don't have to see the ribbon, so I'll pull out the little kit. So here's Santa Claus. Again, it is double-sided. And aren't these just cute? Look how clear those symbols are, man. I mean, they're just so clear. Just the cute little Santa Claus. Again, you got your package of drills and your glitter in there. I'll leave the glitter this time. So this one does have 6. And it has 1 AB color. Okay, so this AB color is 5002. So it's another light blue color. It's a little bit different of a light blue than the other one. So you have your black. Again, see how clear everything is. Your red, your skin tone colors, your white, and then here's those AB drills. You can just see how clear cut they are. So gorgeous. I'm super excited. I'm working on a Christmas one now. A Christmas diamond painting. It's a tree that I got from a Secret Santa. And hopefully that won't take me too long. I can finish that here within the next couple of days. And then I can do these over the Thanksgiving holidays and have them hanging on my Christmas tree in the next few days. So, again, right now these are on sale at Joann's. They are 30% off today. You can use that coupon. There's a coupon going on for an extra 25% off today if you do order pickup. And that's what I did, which makes these like less than $4. Okay. Now, I don't know why Santa Claus and the Snowflake one was not on that sale online. I don't know why. So I was able to use a 60% off coupon and got them for like $2. So look into that. I know one of their Black Friday doorbusters starting next Sunday, not this coming Sunday, the 29th, is that they're going to be 50% off. But if you can use that store pickup today, it actually makes them cheaper. So here you got 9 colors. I don't think there's any AB drills because their ABs are usually in the thousands, like 502, 501, like that. So I don't think this one has any AB drills, but it does have 9 colors in this little Christmas tree. And we'll just quickly go through those colors. And if you notice, I do like this about Diamond Dotz is their A1 goes in order with their listing. So A1 is this color right here. So you don't have to sort through your colors. If you're going to kit this up, say you might not be able to do all of it, so you're going to kit it up. If you kit it, it's so easy because you just cut the packages and then you put them in their boxes. Where some of the companies, their colors are like scattered. So like your first color might be here, but your second color is down here. This is not like that. These are straight in order, and I really like that about Diamond Dotz, how they do that. So let me turn this over so you can see the colors. So you got pink, red, yellow, blue, green, 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 all these different colored greens. Okay? So again, they are the circle drills, or not circle drills, they're all circles, but the dome-shaped drills, which are different from the big kits from Diamond Dotz, but I'm sure they're going to be gorgeous anyways, and I can't wait to do them. And I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe to my videos and like them, and I will see you guys later.